Adani Enterprises is a multinational conglomerate based in India with interests in various industries such as ports, logistics, energy, and agribusiness. Founded in 1988 by Gautam Adani, the company has grown rapidly over the years and is now considered one of the largest company in India with a market capitalization over 100 billion US dollar. However, in recent months, Adani Enterprises has been making headlines for reasons other than its business growth. The company has been facing several controversies, including allegations of environmental violation, financial irregularities, and conflicts of interest. Adani is a conglomerate based in India that operates in various sectors, including ports, logistics, energy, and mining. It has been in the news for its controversial projects such as the Carmichael coal mine in Australia, which has faced opposition from environmentalists and indigenous communities. And the Hindenburg is an investment resource firm that gained notoriety for its short-selling strategy, which involves betting against companies' stock. Hindenburg has published several reports that have exposed fraudulent or unethical practices at various companies, including Nikola, Clover Health, and Lordstown Motors. In a 106-page long report on January 25th, Hindenburg had alleged that Adani was pulling the largest con in corporate history with a brazen stock manipulation and accounting fraud scheme. Adani Group, in its defense, has described all allegations as a calculated attack on India. Adani Group said it has completed full repayment of margin-linked share-backed financing aggregating to 2.15 billion US dollar well before committed timeline of 31st March 2023. Shares of selected Gautam Adani-led group companies were trading firm in a weak market, with 4 of them locked in 5% upper circuit in the BSE on Monday. As a part of their debt repayment plan, the Adani family has fully paid margin-linked share-backed financing of 2.15 billion US dollar before the March end deadline. Besides, the promoter have also prepared a 500 million US dollar facility taken from Ambuja acquisition pre-financing. This is in the line with promoters' commitment to increase equity contribution, and promoters have now infused 2.6 billion US dollar out of total acquisition value of 6.6 billion US dollar for Abuja and ACC, Adani Group said in a press release. The entire repayment programs of $2.65 billion has been completed within 6 weeks, which testifies the strong liquidity management and access to complete at sponsor level, supplementing the solid capital prudence adopted at all portfolio companies, the group said. Meanwhile, as per media reports, Adani Group is planning to sell 4 to 5% stake in Ambuja Cement and raise about 3,600 crores Indian rupees. The deal will be executed through a block on the stock exchange in a few days, depending on market conditions, to reduce the overall debt of the group. As per the media reports, Adani Group officials have met bound investors in Singapore and Hong Kong to soothe their concern with the conglomerate's access to funds were under the control of flowed by the drive to Dubai, London, and the USA. Meanwhile, more than a dozen entities, both domestic and foreign, had come under the regulatory glare over alleged short selling before and after the publication of the Hindenburg resource report against Adani Group. The Business Standard reported quoting 2 people familiar with the development. Most of the Adani Group stock have rebounded from their respective blows hit on March 1, 2023, Star fund manager Rajiv Jain led GQGX $1.9 billion share purchase in 4 group firms from Adani promoters has eased concern about high debt levels. Further, the move by the promoters to revoke fleece shares has also helped revive sentiments. After Hindenburg Research report on January 24th, the group had sit over 12 trillion Indian rupees in the market capitalization. Adani Enterprises, Adani Total Gas, Adani Wilmar, Adani Transmission shares in focus on recovery hopes from Tuesday's lows. Shares of flagship from Adani Enterprises closed 7.25% lower at Rs 1737.75 on March 14 against the previous close of Rs 1873.60 on BSE. The stock saw bouts of weakness as it hit on intraday low of Rs 1675.4, losing 10% in the previous session. Adani Enterprises stock has lost 14.8% in the last 4 sessions. Share of Adani Group firms such as Adani Enterprises, Adani Total Gas, Adani Ports, Adani Special Economic Zone, Adani Power, Adani Green Energy, Adani Wilmar, Adani Transmissions and others will be in focus in trade today, a day after the weakness on counter of all Adani Group stocks in the previous sessions. All Adani Group shares such as Adani Transmission, Adani Total Gas, Adani Power and Adani Green Energy, among others, ended in the red. Shares flagship from Adani Enterprises closed 7.25% lower at Rs 1737.75 on March 14 against the previous close of Rs 1873.60 on BSE.